Good morning, children. This lesson is of class 7 for the subject of biology, chapter number 4, photosynthesis and respiration of your textbook titled Concise Biology, Selena Publications. It is being submitted to you on 26th October 2020. Dear students, in your lesson of photosynthesis and respiration, today we are going to discuss the process of respiration and the two types of respiration. Let us start. Nutrition provides plants and animals with food. However, this food needs to be broken down to release energy in order to use it for growth and repair of the plants and to carry out other activities like to absorb water and minerals, for root cells to penetrate in the soil. This is where respiration comes into play. So, the process by which food or glucose is broken down to release energy is called respiration. Respiration is not a simple process. It is, in fact, a series of chemical reactions to liberate energy. This reaction takes place partly in the cytoplasm of the cell and partly in the cell organelle, that is mitochondria. Children, energy is released in the form of energy molecules, that is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. These are the energy currency of the cells and are used to carry out daily activities. Glucose, in the presence of oxygen, changes to carbon dioxide, water, and energy is given. Respiration occurs all the time as long as an organism lives. It is taken as an index of life. No respiration means no life. Further, let us discuss the two types of respiration depending upon the presence or absence of oxygen. Number one, aerobic respiration. When the breakdown of glucose takes place in the presence of oxygen, it is called aerobic respiration. In this process, glucose is completely oxidized to produce carbon dioxide, water, and a large amount of energy. 38 molecules of ATP are released from oxidation of each glucose molecule in this process. Most animals, including human beings and green plants respire aerobically. Such organisms are called aerobes. Now, the next type of respiration is anaerobic respiration. When the breakdown of food takes place in the absence of oxygen, it is called an aerobic respiration. Due to the absence of oxygen, glucose is not completely oxidized to produce carbon dioxide and water. However, it breaks down into alcohol and carbon dioxide with the release of less amount of energy. Only two molecules of ATP are released from oxidation of each glucose molecule in this process. Anaerobic respiration takes place in certain organisms like yeast and bacteria. These organisms are called anaerobes. Now, children, to test yourself, write answers to the questions given below. Number 1. Organisms which respire in the presence of oxygen are called dash. Number 2. The energy released during respiration is stored in the form of dash. Number 3. What is the full form of ATP? Number 4. The minute pores on the surface of leaves are called dash. Number 5. The end products of anaerobic respiration are. Number 6. Anaerobic respiration takes place in dash and dash. Number 7. When the respiration takes place in the presence of dash, it is called aerobic respiration. The answers are number 1, aerobes, number 2, ATP, number 3, adenosine triphosphate, number 4, stomata, number 5, ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy, number 6, yeast and bacteria, and number 7, oxygen. Thank you, children.